Hello and welcome. On Saturdays, I like to get up very early, and after my morning routine, I start working in my workshop, as I like to call it. Saturday is the day I spend making all sorts of crafts. I like to make crochet dolls and fabric ones as well. It's a good way of using up scraps of fabric. Making flowers is also a useful project when trying to recycle scraps. Today I'm making a pincushion. I've been needing to make one for a long time. After lunch, I make myself some tea and read for a while. Once the break is over, I resume the process of making my pincushion. It's finally finished. I'll continue to crochet the doll. It's already dark and time for dinner. I turn off the lights and say goodbye to my workshop. Until tomorrow.